Hello there, it's Alexander here and I'm joined with the fabulous, beautiful, my friend Alice. How are you, Alice?
Great, so happy to be here.
Well, I'm so happy you're here. So Alice has come in today to decide to do some work with us, haven't you? And we've got a few different things to show you. We've got a few different things we're doing, but today and right now I wanted to do a little bit of myth busting. Okay, so out there, often, as you know, I do a lot of hairstyling, upstyling, different ways with wigs. Now, a couple of comments that have been addressed is, you know, doing this is great to do it on a mannequin, but how do you get the wig that's styled on the mannequin, from the mannequin onto your own head? Really good points there, guys out there. So we thought we'd show you, and who better to show you than our very own Alice, who is a daily wig wearer and, you know, understands that. So she's going to show you. It's one thing me showing you, but seeing a real person do it is another thing. So we have a style, which I put up here. So quite basic, a little bit of an up style, really pretty. We've left the front pieces out, some length out the front. And what I did is I just put a very small T-pin just on the top and I took it out of the lace. So that is actually in between a couple of wefts, so it's not damaging the cap construction. So I'm going to put this on here. If you want to hold this,
Alright.
I'm going to take that off and then you can take the wig off and put her on.
Alrighty.
So take off like that. I will take the mannequin and I'll move the mannequin there. So, and what I will say, ladies and gentlemen, while Alice is doing this, is upstyling is amazing, right? And I think the best upstyles that you see, some that are in the Oscars, the Emmys, all of these award ceremonies, sometimes the most prettiest things are the softer pieces with, see how these sides are out the front, framing the face, which I just love. That's looking great, Alice, there. That's looking really good. So I'm purposely not gonna mess with this because the question is can you get them off a mannequin and round your face and styled? I think you can. So that little long, oh, that looks nice behind your ear.
Good, yeah.
See, that's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, is making it your own. You know, don't think because a style is styled and on your head that it has to stay like that. It's not a hat, it's hair. Hair is organic. We get hair that comes through and sits and does different things. You know, sometimes hair out makes it look better. I love that on you. That looks really good. So I think what we could do is show our viewers the back a little bit. So, wow, fabulous. Just clean those little bits from around there. So let's show the back for our viewers there. If I can just maybe take you off the chair a little bit, I'll move the chair out the way. And then if I just duck you down a wee bit. So if you see, ladies and gentlemen, we see all of the styling in there. It's covered the back nicely. If I turn Alice to the side, looks great on the profile. Looks great on both sides of the profile. We can stand you back, sit you back now. Alice, thank you ever so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that that was a nice, true representation onto what I do as a stylist and what you guys can do as the end user viewer. So, style on a mannequin, make sure it's secured either with a pin or tape or a wig grip. The choice is yours. And then very nicely, delicately, take it off the mannequin and place it onto your head as if you were doing it just the normal wig, but be aware, be slightly more delicate because you might have it pinned up and gripped up. But from me, I'm Alexander. I've really enjoyed today, but the real hero of the show has been Alice. Thanks, Alice, for coming. Thanks for showing everyone at home and doing a bit of myth busting. And any other questions, any other videos you'd like to see, any comments, leave them below. But for now, we're going to bid you farewell. I'm Alexander, this is Alice. You've been tuning to René of Paris. See you next time. Bye.